You might think that a pimple popping by just before an important event can be the worst possible thing. Truth be told, most of us go through the same. But guess what? We know exactly how to make them leave as quickly as they came. We're pretty sure you know that sebum is one of the main culprits behind acne eruptions, which makes cleansing the easiest way to deal with this. And we have a 2-ingredient natural face wash recipe that your skin will love. Take 2 tablespoons of sandalwood powder and mix in 1 tablespoon of green tea. Sandalwood will soothe any irritation, and the magic of green tea will help zap away those breakouts. Apply this twice a day in circular motions before washing it off with lukewarm water. Trust us when we say that the best bet to get rid of these angry bumps is to spot treat them. So we at Glamorous have created Super Spotless that does exactly this. It's been formulated with natural and active ingredients like aloe, neem and calendula that balance acne-prone skin. Just dab this onto your one-off pimple or apply this as a thin layer all over your face if you have skin prone to breakouts. This soothes any discomfort and stops your pimple from growing further. The best part is it does all of this without making the skin super dry. Since this disappears right into your skin, you can even wear it below your makeup. Use this every day to watch your skin clear up. We've said this a million times and we will say it again, that clay is a skin transforming ingredient, even when it comes to acne. So here is a face pack that you can apply once a week to make sure your skin remains nourished and zit-free. Mix 3 tablespoons of kaolin clay that will provide gentle exfoliation with 2 tablespoons of soothing rose water and 3 drops of tea tree oil, a star ingredient in controlling breakouts. Apply this with a brush all over your face once a week for 15 minutes and see the magic unfold. You can slather whatever you want on your skin, but if you are not putting the right stuff into your body, then acne will greet your face. But what if we told you you can drink your way to clear skin? Take a grinder jar and put in a handful of washed spinach leaves, 5 slices of cucumber, an inch of ginger, and half a cup of water. Now grind it well and strain the juice in a glass. Add some water if you like a thinner consistency. This green smoothie is power-packed with antioxidants that will detoxify your skin. Have this every morning and your acne-free skin will glow from within. Acne can most of the time cause havoc on our skin and minds. But we're sure these tips will get you some respite. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.